and this is why I'm not a feminist. You're doing great, sweetie!
Fuck off.
Knock, knock.
Who's that?
I eat mop.
I eat my poo.
You eat what?
I don't eat my poo.